Hindi nyo naiintindihan gaano ko kayo kamahal. Bawat takbo ko para po sa inyo, hindi para sa akin. Anong ginawa nyo? Binas nyo na ako ng binas. Sumaba-sobra loob ko. May isang basher nagsabi sa akin, Doc Willie, even if you run 10 times again and again, you will lose again and again and again.
Grabe naman.
What did I do to you? Why do you hate me so much?
Sakit eh. Sakit ang buko.
I check my WBC. Sabi niya, paano ka nabuhay? Your WBC is 0. If I do not put out this video, I will just die. The news will be, Doc Willie died one day. He did not tell his followers. He lied to his followers. I owe it to the Philippines.